नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका कम्युनिटी राउंड अप में और मैं हूं गीतांजलि। आज कम्युनिटी राउंड अप में देखें किस तरह कम्युनिटी इज प्रेइंग फॉर पीस। साथ ही देखना ना भूलें कम्युनिटी को जोड़ते खास आयोजन। पर सबसे पहले नजर हेडलाइंस पर। न्यू जर्सी में ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ फर्स्ट एनुअल स्प्रिंग डिनर विद असेंबलीमैन राज मुखर्जी। राज को मिला इंडियन कम्युनिटी का सपोर्ट। Friends of John Bartlett organized second Champions of Civil Rights Award ceremony. 3 women champions were also honored. New Jersey Buddhist Vihara organized International Peace Day and Buddha Jayanti celebrations. नेपाल के लिए की सभी ने दुआएं। Nardotsavam 2015 at the Sri Venkateshwara Temple, Minnesota was a soulful experience. Beautiful performances ने जीता दिल। और श्री सानीश्वरा टेम्पल न्यूयॉर्क में हुए मदर्स डे सेलिब्रेशंस। याद आया सभी को ममता का आंचल। सबसे पहले बात एक मीट एंड ग्रीट इवेंट की। Assemblyman Raj Mukherjee has always been appreciated for his efforts in healthcare and for supporting independent pharmacy community. और मौका था first annual spring dinner with Assemblyman Raj Mukherjee, where Indian community showed their support for Raj Mukherjee.
Raj Mukherjee is an assemblyman in the New Jersey State Legislature who represents New Jersey's 33rd Legislative District. Known for his community service, Raj Mukherjee has been a great fighter for healthcare and independent pharmacy community. और उन्हीं के लिए सपोर्ट शो करने की मंशा के साथ धीरेन अमीन, Monmouth County Democratic Chairman Vin Gopal IPA, South Brunswick Board of Education member Deven Patel, Satish Pundi, Ritesh Shah and Mahesh Shah of IBA ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया फर्स्ट एनुअल स्प्रिंग डिनर विद राज मुखर्जी who was humbled and overwhelmed.
It's such a pleasure to be here in Piscataway, New Jersey, and I'm humbled. I'm humbled to be honored by the South Asian and the Indian American community in Middlesex County. I represent Jersey City and Hudson County in the legislature, but the South Asian community is growing and contributing to making every aspect of New Jersey better in every way. And it's a pleasure that our community is being recognized in that way. And as always, greetings to TV Asia's viewers.
Pharmacist community and IBA ने दिया इस इवेंट को पूरा सपोर्ट and everyone appreciated Raj for his efforts for community.
Today we had a very successful fundraising event for our own Assemblyman Raj Mukherjee from Jersey City. We had more than 100 people here, and Raj is a dynamic young assemblyman with a bright future, and all the Indian community is going to support him, and he is be somewhere else in a big position in future.
On behalf of Indo-American Pharmaceutical Society, I assure Assemblyman Raj Mukherjee that we will support every step of the ladder, whether he will be a congressman, governor or president. I see this young man from my local town, Jersey City, Hudson County. He's young, proactive, energetic, visionary. He has a vision, strength and capability to achieve what he gets into it. So once again I support Raj Mukherjee on behalf of the association, on behalf of the retailer, because if we don't support him, we won't get support.
Tonight we gathered with support of Indian community to support Assemblyman Raj Mukherjee's first annual spring dinner. Raj Mukherjee, he's a champion and supported to small independent pharmacies. He has passed and proposed the bill for transparency and equal playing field. Raj, we are here. He's the only one assemblyman we have left from South Asian descent. So I want to thank everybody to come tonight and support this event, not only for pharmacists but for Indian community.
Special guest of the program was Assemblyman Herb Conaway और सभी गेस्ट ने तारीफ की राज मुखर्जी के विजन की.
Welcoming Assemblyman Raj Mukherjee here to Middlesex County. Very good friend and very proud to support him. Great fighter for affordable health care for all of our residents across the state, and he's fighting for the working class people. So just great time here to support a great assemblyman, and I hope you come out and you support him so he can be reelected.
I want to bring greetings to this august body from our CEO Elise Barry, our President Dr. Mariah Weissman, and also GSPO President Terry Milanda. Tonight we honored someone who is going to go down in the record books as one of the greatest assemblymen of all times, Raj Mukherjee. Thus far, he has not even completed a full legislative term, and he is the sponsor of over 20 bills that have been actually signed into law, not just introduced. We are very proud to have him as a sponsor and a supporter of legislative initiatives that will benefit pharmacy.
कुछ इस तरह कम्युनिटी ने किया असेंबलीमैन राज मुखर्जी को सपोर्ट एंड फर्स्ट एनुअल स्प्रिंग डिनर इवेंट विद राज मुखर्जी वाज अ सक्सेसफुल वन।
बहुत कुछ बाकी है इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद, जो हम आपको दिखाएंगे एक खास अवार्ड फंक्शन।